In this chapter, we'll work exercises that involve systems of linear equations and problem solving. Solve graphically the system of equations 2x plus y equals 8, y minus x equals 2. You can use any method you want to graph these equations. For the first equation, 2x plus y equals 8, let's do that by finding the x and y intercepts. Remember, to find the x-intercept, we set y equal to 0. That would be 2x plus 0 equals 8. So it's 2x equals 8. Divide both sides by 2. 8 divided by 2 is 4. And so that intercept would be 4, 0. Let's now find the y-intercept, which means that we set x equal to 0. So it would be 2 times 0 plus y equals 8. This, of course, is 0, so we get y equals 8, and that would be the intercept, 0, 8. Let's graph those two, starting with 0, 8. It would be right here, 0, 8. 4, 0 would be right here. And then we can draw our line. And now, let's look at graphing this equation. Y equals negative x plus 2. Let's use the slope-intercept method here. So I would add x to both sides. Y equals x plus 2. That means the y-intercept is 2, right here, 0, 2. And the slope is 1, so we go up 1 and over 1. And we then draw our line through those 2 points. And now we look for where the 2 graphs intersect, which is right at this point. If we then extrapolate backwards, we can see that that point is the point 2, 4. That would be the solution to this system of equations.